You could literally die if you hold in a sneeze. How many times have you been out in public, felt a sneeze coming, and held it in because you didn't want to embarrass yourself? Well, bad news, doing that could actually kill you. Here's the deal. Holding back a sneeze cranks up the pressure in your nose, which can make blood vessels pop or even rupture your eardrum. Yeah, it's that serious. So next time, instead of holding it in, just sneeze into your elbow. Keeps the germs in check and saves you from a world of pain. And don't forget, everybody sneezes. It's just part of being human, so own it.